In this tutorial, we're going to talk about one of the tests that we use in order to prove a pair of triangles congruent to each other. And the test is called SSS, which stands for side, side, side. Now, from the name of the test, it is through proving three sides equal to another of three sides. The three sides of one triangle are equal in length to the three sides of the other triangle. So we're talking about the length of the sides, not the position, of course. Now, looking at the diagram that we have on the right side of the screen, you have these two triangles, ABD and BDC, that we are working with. We're required to prove these two triangles congruent to each other. Now, the first step when proving two triangles congruent to each other is, of course, to name them. So, in the two triangles ABD and BCD. Now that we have mentioned both of the triangles that we're working with, we start off with the equals. AB is equal to BC, and that is given. Another pair is AD equal to BC, and that was also given. Now, we must find the third and final side. Now, in such case, we're talking about BD, and it is located right here as a common side between both triangles. And if you go back to the namings of both triangles, you can notice that both of them have BD. In triangle ABD there's BD, and in triangle BCD there's BD as well. And so BD is a common side. Now that we have proven all three sides equal to each other, we will write the conclusion and say two triangles are congruent by SSS.